What's up, guys? I'm back with another episode of Geography Now, and this time we're going to be talking about a country in Central Africa known as Cameroon. So get ready to learn about the geography of Cameroon. First off, let's take a look at the capital city of Cameroon, which is Yaoundé. It is located in the southern part of the country and serves as both the economic and cultural center of Cameroon. Yaoundé is situated on a plateau surrounded by mountains and forests, giving it a cool and pleasant climate compared to other cities in Central Africa. The city was originally a small village inhabited by the Yaoundé people, but it grew rapidly in the 19th century when it became an administrative center during the colonial era. Today, Yaoundé is a bustling metropolis with a population of over 1 million people. It's home to several government buildings, including the Presidential Palace and the National Assembly, as well as many schools, hospitals, and businesses. One of the most notable landmarks in the city is the Blackitude Monument, a towering structure that pays homage to the indigenous people of Cameroon. Despite its rapid growth, Yaoundé still retains some of its colonial charm, such as the tree-lined streets and the historic buildings. The city is also known for its vibrant markets where you can find a wide variety of goods from fresh produce to handmade crafts. Overall, Yaoundé is a vibrant and dynamic city that serves as the beating heart of Cameroon. Next, let's talk about one of the largest cities in Cameroon, Douala. Douala is located on the Wuri River and serves as the country's main port city. It is considered the economic capital of Cameroon and is home to a large portion of the country's industries. Douala has a tropical climate with high humidity and rainfall throughout the year. Originally, Douala was a small fishing village, but it grew significantly in the late 19th century when it became an important trading post during the colonial era. Today, Douala is a bustling city with a population of over 2 million people, making it the largest city in Cameroon. It's home to a large seaport that handles most of the country's imports and exports, as well as several industrial areas and businesses. Douala is also known for its lively atmosphere with plenty of restaurants, bars, and markets to explore. However, the city faces challenges such as traffic congestion and pollution due to its rapid urbanization. Despite these issues, Douala remains an important hub for trade and industry in Cameroon and continues to grow and develop. Now let's move on to the natural wonders of Cameroon, starting with Mount Cameroon. Mount Cameroon is an active volcano located in the southwest region of the country. It's the highest peak in West Africa with an elevation of 4,095 meters or 13,435 feet. The mountain is a popular destination for hikers and climbers who come to admire its stunning crater lakes and panoramic views. In fact, Mount Cameroon is one of the most prominent features on the horizon when viewed from any direction within the coastal regions of Cameroon and even from neighboring countries like Nigeria. The slopes of Mount Cameroon are covered in lush vegetation, including rainforest and bamboo groves. The mountain is also home to a varieties flora and fauna, including rare species of birds and monkeys. While Mount Cameroon is a popular tourist destination, it also poses a potential threat to the surrounding areas. The mountain is highly active and has erupted several times in recent history. In fact, the most recent eruption occurred in 2012 and caused significant damage to nearby villages. Despite the danger, locals have learned to live with the risks and have developed ways to mitigate the impact of future eruptions. Next, let's talk about Waza National Park. Waza National Park is a large protected area located in the northern region of Cameroon. It covers an area of over 1,700 square miles and is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including elephants, lions, giraffes, and antelopes. The park was established in 1968 and is one of the largest national parks in Cameroon. The name Waza comes from the local language and means hunting grounds. And indeed, the park was initially created as a hunting reserve for European settlers during the colonial era. However, it quickly became apparent that the area's rich biodiversity needed to be protected and managed more sustainably. Today, Waza National Park is considered one of the most important conservation areas in Africa. The park's diverse ecosystem includes savanna, forest, and wetland habitats, which support a wide range of plant and animal species. Some of the most notable residents include elephants, lions, giraffes, zebras, antelopes, and a variety of bird species. The park is also home to several endangered species, including the African white-throated monkey and the Nigerian chimpanzee. In addition to its wildlife, Waza National Park also has cultural significance. The park is home to several local villages where visitors can learn about traditional African cultures and way of life. Despite its importance, Waza National Park faces several threats, including poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. However, the Cameroonian government and conservation organizations are working hard to protect the park and its inhabitants for future generations. One of the main challenges facing the park is poaching, which has led to a decline in numbers of some species, including elephants and other large mammals. To combat poaching, park officials have implemented stricter anti-poaching measures and are working to raise awareness among local communities about the importance of protecting wildlife. Another challenge is habitat loss, which has been caused by factors such as deforestation and the expansion of agricultural land. This has resulted in the fragmentation of habitats and a decline in biodiversity. To address this issue, conservation organizations are working to restore degraded habitats and create wildlife corridors to connect fragmented habitats. So there you have it, a quick overview of the geography of Cameroon, including its major cities and natural attractions. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun geography videos. And if you want to learn more about Africa, check out my podcast. Thanks for watching.